Good day. Today I catch my male zucchini, my female zucchini I mean. We're opening flower. Today is just 8 or 8:30. Come on. Before I go somewhere else. I saw this one here on the way to car that my female zucchini flowers is opening. Look. So nice. She's very nice, and here is the male lalaki na flowers. I am going to do it the hand pollinate, put this together. I open it and I put this together, introduce it together here. So for in case the base is not here, then I do it myself. So the flower will be nice, and gonna get a nice see? Wow. So if your zucchini plants is healthy, that's what happened. It's really cute actually, guys. First time I saw this one opening today, and I thought, well, I have to show this in the world. Yeah, and the other one, same here. That one's already closed, see? Maybe just old flowers, but the other one is still opening. See that one here in the bottom? I am going to do hand pollinated, but since male flower is not much here, I saw only one here, so probably not that one. I saw a lot of ant stuff. So once you do that, hand pollinated, gee, it's hot. It's about 9 o'clock. It's hot already. Okay, baby, how about it? There you go. And now it's fall down. So this I'm going to go here. And the other one in the containers. So I'm going to show you in a moment, guys. Go first. Pollinated. Okay. So cute. I love them. Okay. That's it. Okay, babies. And there's another one here, baby, but they're not opening much here. Now let's go with the container salads. OMG. Today just late closing, but maybe they close quickly. Let's go here. Oh, hello. It's in my container, guys. After I put the nitrogen, they're not yellowing anymore. I'm so happy for this. And hello there. This is a female. And there's a male next to it, so I don't need this anymore. Look at the male one. It's kind of longer, isn't it, guys? It's really interesting, very interesting. Okay, I'll just put this one here aside, and I think I'm going to pollinate it myself. Have a look. Have a look at it. He's so cute, isn't it, guys? And that's our zucchini. And this is our female flowers, which is really opening wide. And this is the female here. I have to pollinate it myself for in case the bees is not around. Open it, and I'm just gonna put it. Look at it. You have similar flower but taller. You can eat this too. Put it in my gulay, in my vegetables. Okay, there's a lot of pollen here. So that's a male one. We've got long stalks. Very interesting. So let's open this up. Okay, just have a look at the female flowers where I'm opening the pollen. Oh, male ones. Here it is. here it is. Cover it, baby. It's covering. Okay. This one is covering, so I open it like that. Tiko lang. I'm so excited about this. Very excited. Alright. Because today is the day that I catch the female zucchini. They're opening wide for me. It's 11 hours. And I do hunt for the mate. Here. Let's see the other one. It's huge leaves. And she stopped doing yellowing now. Like everyday yellowing. This one is yellow natural because they are matured. But once everyday yellowing in that good, but it stopped now. Because what I need is a natural fertilizer. Which is I did it. Now she's nice and alive. Okay, let's go. Hey, hello there. This second container, as you can see, I got 1, 2, 3 containers left. The rest, because I was so worried, I planted it in the ground next to the bananas. I'll see what's happening later. But kind of distant. They're not big like this anymore. They're kind of small. Maybe they're dying. We're still adjusting the weather in the ground because they were really from the pot. So here it is. Oh no, there's actually male as well. So it's fine. She doesn't have female here to open, so it's okay. They are just so cute. See? It's a long stalk. A ball of pollen. Yeah, that's a pollen. Very good. Cheers, guys. So now she take it, and then the fruits it won't turn yellow anymore. Instead, they're gonna grow and make healthy vegetables. But for in case there's a bees around or any kind of insects, you don't have to worry about this doing like this, guys, because they are fine. Even the gagamba or spider can do this too. But I leave it here for now until they can make themselves. Yeah. Go back here. Here is the male flowers, and the female is not opening, so it's fine here. But she's got zucchini as well, plenty. And the little one there in the bottom, oh my, they really took off after I gave them very good natural fertilizer. Yeah. If you don't give them nutrients, it's sort of really yellowing. This one is naturally yellow because they are matured from the bottom. I'm gonna cut it soon. But I solved the problem for yellowing every day. Thank God. I'm gonna go check again one more plants. So that's how we do it. It's a huge one. Look at it, guys. I'm just cutting a lot of leaves already. But still, keep pushing towards the front and I'm getting more leaves again. It's amazing. My tomato, she's keep growing. This Roma, she's got more this and this and this. Oh my, and this one here, just really nice. I love the Roma tomato. My malabar is going good. It's doing good. The baby onion is growing more of this okra. See that? Grasshopper is everywhere like that. Oh. It tried to play a trick on me, guys. Alright. Yeah. Now she's slowly closing. Alright. Before you do that, I'm going to take a picture before they close it a lot. Alright guys, so excited today. Well, If you are a gardener, you know how I feel. Aren't you guys? Especially you see first time the female flower opening up for you. See? Very exciting. And plenty of zucchinis, which is exciting, and we don't have to buy in the shop anymore. Really, really good. See how big is that humongous? I'll show you guys. Yeah, that one is full of leaves. I'm covering whole things here. So what I did, I just removed the leaves and giving good nutrients. And she just keep pushing here in the front. I'm happy that I removed the leaves there. Otherwise, all the nutrients goes with it. And the zucchini. So now the mother friend looks so happy now. See, that grasshopper is here too. Hello there. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. And I see the friend of ants is sucking the female flowers pollen. It must be really, really good nutrients on them for sure. Alright guys, she's slowly closing real soon, so I'm gonna go take picture for the thumbnails. Cheers! Thanks for watching. Let me know, dear gardener, you're in Australia or anywhere in the world, how did you do pollen? How did your zucchini goes? Be excited about all these things every day. Cheers guys! I really appreciate the comments. Thanks. Bye. Have a good day from Australia. And we are spring here at the moment. Just arrived after winter, which is really, really cool. And one more glance for the zucchini male females or females because they're open now. Yay! Cheers! Bye! See you later. Have a good day guys. Thank you for your support always. Cheers.